back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys everything I got for my 17th birthday. Which you would have seen if, shameless plug, you follow me on my Instagram at _blush_brunette, where I post daily outfit of the days, and I basically showed you guys some of the things I got for my birthday and took you along with me through the entire day. I also did a whole fashion photo shoot in my local town center, and you guys can see all of those pictures. I'll pop them on screen right here, a couple for you guys to see, but you can see all of those if you go pop over on my Insta. I just wanted to start off this video by saying a huge thank you to my parents and to my siblings and to everyone who made my birthday super special this year. This year was the best birthday ever, and I can confidently say that. It was not because of the gifts, even though, as you can see from the goodies beside me, we do have some pretty amazing unboxings to do. But the day was so special because of basically everything that they did for me and all the thought and all the effort that was put into making me feel like special that day. I'm really thankful to my siblings and my parents for always going above and beyond for me, and I just love you all so much. And I know you're watching this video, but I just want to say I love you. I just love you so much. So I want to talk about my outfit just for a second, but I finally was able to pull out my favorite sweater of all time. This is my lavender, really beautiful balloon sleeved, cozy, furry sweater that I love to wear each fall, and I am so excited that it's finally autumn and that it's actually getting colder here. Like today, my room was actually freezing and I loved it. Before I get into showing you guys everything that I got, make sure that you subscribe down below and click that big bell notification at the top and click all so you never miss when I post my brand new videos. As you guys can see from behind me, I have a Badgley Mischka unboxing, which I am so excited about. I got this for myself for like a little gift to me. And then I have a Gucci luxury unboxing, which is like the biggest gift. That was from my parents and my siblings all together. So make sure you watch till the end of the video to see me unbox this goodie. And then I have some luxury jewelry items in this box. And then because I love makeup, as you guys can see, my mom and my little sister just got me some makeup goodies from Ulta. Okay guys, let's just hop right into what I got from Ulta. But I have been obsessed with Tarte, and I genuinely love their makeup brand. You guys know that I'm obsessed with Beautycounter too, and I wear Beautycounter for like my skincare and my makeup foundation and my moisturizer. I really don't ever wear foundation anymore. I don't even wear it for filming, but I do love it for like my blush and everything, and my eyebrows, like just your essentials for your face. But for like my lip products, I'm actually wearing Beautycounter today, but normally I do love to wear some Tarte as well. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the things that my mom picked up for me. So the first thing in this goodie bag is the Micellar Magic Makeup Remover Water. This is the cleanser and remover, and it has aloe vera in it, and it just smells so good. As you guys can see, I basically already used up like half of the bottle because I ran out of my makeup remover wipes. But I just love putting this over my face like a cotton pad right after I wipe off my face with a wipe. But I love this. It is so good. It's so refreshing, and I genuinely love using it. You guys know I wouldn't recommend or tell you guys about things I haven't already tried out myself. This is not sponsored, by the way. I wish, but no. Next thing that I got was because I really have heard great things about this. I had to try it because I have never used a setting spray before, and let me tell you guys that the foundation of your makeup, like your base layer, looks so great after using this puppy. Tarte did an amazing job again with their formula. The reason I love it is because I spray it after I do like my moisturizer and my concealer, after I use my Shape Tape and everything, and then I spray it again after I do my eyes before my mascara because then it's too hard to get off. But I'm obsessed with this product. I've used it like 3 times now, I think, so far. Next, I got something that I saw on the Tarte Instagram and then picked up in stores, and it is their Busy Girl Gloss in the gold color. I love it. It's called Boss, and it's so cute, and the packaging is 100% me. You guys will see in a second. I love it, and actually what I love about Tarte is that their stuff is so incredibly pigmented, and it actually like shows up as like a gold sheen. This is like my gloss I put on when I don't want to wear anything and I just want like a little bit of a shimmer on my lips. little lippy lingerie. This is the matte tint. I really wanted one of these ones to try out, and it's shaped like a crayon, so it's super creamy and easy to apply. And this is in the shade Envy. Let me show you guys the packaging. It's super cool, super cute, and it has gold on it. I love how it's the packaging is the exact shade of the lipstick, so you just know when picking it out, like this is the exact shade that's going on your lips. And then I have the liner in the other color. They have two lip liners. They have the darker one, and it matches this perfectly. So I love lining my lips with that and then using this creamy crayon on top. The paint in the shade Killing It. It's a little bit more of like a darker mauve-y nude, but with like a tad bit of purple. And I just love this color. It's very brown, very autumnal and fall-esque. The shader is very small, so it's good to get those precise edges on your lipstick. But I really love this one, and I think I've worn this color to work like 2 or 3 times already. 2 of their new collection. So this is their sparkler. They're like little shadow sticks. So I got 2 colors. I got the rose gold and then the gold. I'm going to show you guys the surprises that my mom got me for my birthday in this little luxury jewelry collection that I have. So the first earring she got was from the local boutique that I work at, and they are these earrings. I guys know I'm obsessed with anything sparkly gold and light pink, and these fit all of the boxes. Is from a seller online. I took vintage Chanel buttons and made them into jewelry at a more affordable price. I love this little baggie. I think that is literally precious in keeping that. So she got me this pearl hair clip right here, and it's the Chanel Paris button in navy gold, and then a big pearl right there. It looks so cute on. I love putting my hair in a bun and then putting it like at the top. Pink and gold, I'm officially obsessed. I know I say that word too many times, but I don't even care. I love everything. And this is a Chanel pink button with a gold chain logo necklace. OMG, you guys, this is everything. I'm obsessed with it. I love how it's pink, white, and gold, and it looks so cute with like a little t-shirt, or again, you guys, you can dress it up. I have the Chanel CC logo earrings. My mom seriously has gotten like amazing at giving me things. And if you guys saw my last video, you know exactly what I got from Nordstrom Rack, and this was the bonus item. But if you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it in the description box down below. She literally looked me in the eyes and said, "You cannot not get this shoe. Like, this is so you, and it just looks so expensive, so designer, and so luxury." Oh my gosh, okay, I'm just gonna show you guys. And it's just even crazy, but it's like eye candy. These shoes are everything. And again, if you want to follow me on my Instagram, you would know exactly what these Mischka heels are for $95 on sale from $245. That's like unheard of for Badgley Mischka heels, and they are this. These shoes are everything. They are blue, like a royally bright blue satin pump, and then they have the little strap on the top so it can go around your ankle and be comfortable, and they're not too much of a high heel. I'm definitely saving these for a special occasion, like maybe a first date, I don't know, but I love these so much. And that's all I have to say about these shoes. They're gorgeous. Like, they're gorgeous. And I love this pop of blue for me because I never wear blue, like ever. So I think this is gonna be a great color to like pop off of a monochromatic outfit. I'm so excited to wear them. Okay, are you guys ready for the big Gucci reveal? I am so excited. I'm going to admit I did already unbox it for a video for my Instagram. So again, I keep saying this, but guys, really make sure you go follow me on Instagram. I'm super active on there, and I post a lot of my content before it reaches YouTube. But here is the Gucci envelope, and inside is just basically like the authenticity for the belt and just instructions and like a card that says basically like thank you for shopping with Gucci. It tells you how to send it back. Really love like peeling off the wrapping paper, taking off the ribbons, and collecting the boxes. Like I really want to have my own luxury box collection from all my purchases. So I'm going to undo this now, and I can even use this. I was thinking of an idea to use this as like shoelaces. Wouldn't that look so cute? And you can use this as like a hair bow and a lot of other things. But I'm obsessed with this ribbon, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping that. So I just took off that. Let's just leave that right there, shall we, in the background of the video. And this is what you see on the inside. It has the Gucci sticker and the wrapping paper. So this is the Gucci item, and I'm going to take it out of the dust bag now. And surprise, the beautiful double G Gucci emblem in the white leather. And this belt is absolutely stunning. I got it because I know that one of my favorite colors again is white and gold together, especially as a combo. And this is kind of like an off-white. It's gonna go with every single one of my outfits because everything in my closet is black, white, pink, gold, burgundy, or just a shade of red. I'm just saying that as in like everyone has it, so it's not really special that I have it, but to me, it's something that I've looked as outfit inspiration on Pinterest for years, and I finally have it. It's crazy. I love it. I'm very, very, very happy with it, and I think it was a great investment for my parents as a gift because it's something that I will wear for the rest of my life. Like, no kidding, these belts hold up so well. It's white, it's bright, it goes with every season. Like, black you can't really wear in summer unless you're wearing it with like a black lace dress or something, but that's actually a good outfit idea. I like that. But this can go with everything, and it's big, and I really, really, really like it. And okay, I'm gonna stop gushing about this belt and try it on and show you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing all of the things I got for my birthday. Again, this is not me bragging about what I got. I know you guys genuinely love to see my videos. I know a lot of you DM me on Instagram and you're like, please, 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 please show me what you got. And make sure you stay tuned and subscribe down below and click that big bell notification at the top because I have some crazy cool, exciting content and announcements coming very soon. I hope that the Blush Brunette brings a little glamour, a dash of inspiration, and a pinch of happiness to your day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.